Samsung Galaxy A53 5G gets cheaper in India. Check new price. Samsung Galaxy A53 5G has received a price cut in the country. The smartphone has become cheaper by 3,000 rupees and now comes with a starting price of 31,999 rupees. To recall, Samsung launched Galaxy A53 5G in March this year along with Samsung Galaxy A33 5G. The handset is claimed to deliver a battery life of up to 2 days and is water and dust resistant. Samsung Galaxy A53 5G. New price. Samsung Galaxy A53 5G has two RAM models 6GB and 8GB. The former was launched at 34,999 rupees. After the price cut, it can be purchased at 31,999 rupees. Similarly, the 8GB RAM variant will now cost 32,999 rupees after a price drop of 3,000 rupees on its original price of 35,999 rupees. The smartphone is offered in 4 color options. These are Awesome Black, Awesome Blue, Awesome Peach and Awesome White. Samsung Galaxy A53 5G specifications. Samsung Galaxy A53 5G is powered by Exynos 1280 octa-core processor. The handset runs on Samsung One UI 4.1 based on Android 12 operating system. The smartphone is equipped with a 6.5-inch FHD Plus Super AMOLED display with 1080 by 2400 pixel resolution and 120 Hz refresh rate. The phone has a coating of Corning Gorilla Glass on top for protection. As mentioned above, the phone has two RAM models 6GB and 8GB paired with 128GB internal storage. Samsung Galaxy A53 5G comes with a microSD card slot to expand the storage up to 1TB. To perform camera duties, the smartphone features a quad camera at the back. The phone offers a 64 megapixels main sensor f1.8 aperture paired with a 12 megapixels ultra-wide camera f2.2 aperture, a 5 megapixels depth sensor and a 5 megapixels macro camera f2.4 aperture. For selfies, the handset is equipped with a 32 megapixels camera at the front. Samsung Galaxy A53 5G houses a 5000 mAh battery. It comes with 25-watt fast charging adapter. Samsung says that the device can juice up from 0 to 50% in 30 minutes. The phone is IP67 rated.